I've got some regular soap, so this is olive oil soap, so any kind of regular soap or Castile soap will do. So I need about 2 tablespoons worth of soap grated here. So about 1/3 of this little bar. And this one is not the driest of soap, so it's kind of a little bit stringy, as you can see. So I'm going to put this soap in here. And here I've got 2 tablespoons of bicarb soda here. So I'm adding that. And here I've got 2 tablespoons of borax substitute. And I'm going to give this a mix. So this would be enough for a big load. If yours is, you know, half load or a small load, do maybe 1 tablespoon of bicarb and 1 tablespoon of borax or borax substitute. Here in UK we can't really get borax as such, so we need to use borax substitute because it's banned for whatever reason. So this is now ready to be put in our washing machine. So I've got my washing machine here, and I'm gonna pour this mix into the bottom of my drum, and I'm gonna load my light washing. There we go. And I'm gonna wash it on regular day wash about 1 hour 15 minutes. Actually 1 hour 3 minutes it is on 60. Now the moment of truth. Let's see how well did the clothes wash. You can see a little bit of soap just there. So actually before I take them out, I'll wipe that so it doesn't stain the clothes when I take them through. So let's have a look. Yeah, so they're smelling pretty neutral actually. You could put some essential oils as well if you wanted to into the drawer, you know, when you kind of put that into like the rinse bit. But yeah, it seems that this homemade laundry detergent did the trick.